ata locally. So the entry ala so if you're doing one swipe, that's one entry to be eligible for our draw. So yesterday we draw out the 4 winners, the lucky winners. And congratulate you guys for being the winners, the 4 lucky winners for this promotion. So this promotion is actually 1,000 each. You're going to be rewarded for 1,000 each. So it's just a small one from Molela Suma Maray. Maray presents prizes for this morning. So the 4 lucky winners is Leobot Leaunga, I'll keep on swiping. Keep on shopping online. 1, 2, 3. Right. The second one is Stephanie Kayo. Third one is Miriama Mosaki. And the last one is Amanda Pesita. We also have a Facebook winner, our contest winner. Ia po olea e sili ia nga share, likes, ia male comment. E whaanga ina ele tato Facebook page e pe olea atu ina atuka ko real silunga ole mako page. So the more you share, like and comment, that's the one who's going to get the winner. So our lucky second time, our lucky winner is none other than Vinona Lematfanga. Only sharing for you or the reels. Thank you everyone. Here to Natila and one day CFO from Molepe Sava.
Yeah, mahalo lava le. I tato suita wafo e o whamani e ina i le tu waso. Ia I whalau I loa fo ia tato watupe. O le aunga lava ia o le whalau I loa leo tato Mastercard. I le tūlanga le ia I mwhai ona whaonga I hunga o le online. Ia F-Boss. Ia poso si vaenga tau whatau. Ia ona mauaila ia lea pete anga waa I le sei. Ia le whamawai ia le whamanuianga. Ia mai tātou whatupe. Ia o nei tu waso ia leo whamanuia nai ia sui I toafa. Ia o whalawiloa lea o lea sao tama. Ia ai ai fo isi whalawiloa o lo muli mai. Ia ngai lava I le aunga lava le tasi. Ia o le ngai lo e whaonga lau Mastercard. Ia a le National Bank. Ia whai ia whatau. I lunga o penga tukai lam. Ia o tonu ko yo whale o lo. Ia mwhai ei ona e anga wa. Ia o le tūlanga lea e iai ia whaftai e tukoi fui I suitau wa. Ia o e ua whamanuia ina. Ia o no lo tūlanga rango. Ia ma leuna ia fui. Whalau I loa tatu whatupe. Le whaonga ina o le tatu Mastercard. Ma lo lava whaftai manuia tele ne yaso.
Like our CEO said earlier, promotions. So the 4 of you guys will be eligible for our grand prize. Ilifai umotau sanga ia le malanga to ia masisi sui ia I Usila. So you will be eligible for the grand prize to go in the draw. Keep on swiping and keep on shopping online. Mastercard and liking and comment. More love Thai.
media Confia nisso e safa mais, não consigo escrever, não fiz filho meu toafa.
Yeah, right. Good momentum,
Ya, pasal malfasili ya oleh seilang faya ngafi pe malfafe casa fa pe ona ya oleh tap sena lenga fili mai si va ngale tofa.
So what process did you take to choose the 4 winners from the draw?
So it was every transaction.
Online. Ya lona luwa de wa fa man guia ni selling ya mule tu janga fa aftai ya ile office silo problem fa pele malo problem ma da fa ngalo ngalo national bank ya ai mo wa ula we se fa tu mi fa mun ina ya ona ma era sata ma ya de wuto ya to ya sata ma ne ya se ya fa aftai til mo janga fa aftai ya malo national bank ya mo ni fa mun yanga ya ala mai la to Mastercard e manu telina ya fa mo ya mi se ni so fa la loro mo mai ya to no to mo so ma to wa no ta to se fe lo fa pe se ma ne mi fe lo in ya ma ya ni ma to ma ta se food o ta ya fe ta ba ya mo ne no ne fa mi ya fa after tel manu telina ya to ma mo ni ya so fa fa mo ne ya so le na fa lo ta ko Please go my yaka cola just one last photo here before. Lava ya